What's up, Izzy? How you doing, buddy?
Congrats on the baby boy, man.
I know, we're excited.
That's awesome.
All right, I'll give you the scoop. The guy's asking 300,000. Comps are about 400,000. So
Okay.
we have to make sure that it's in budget. Let's just check it out. Might be able to make a deal today.
Right off the bat, it looks like you got some issues around the windows. You got cracks there, cracks there.
Oh, you're right. There's cracking there, too. Whew. Oh.
Huh?
This is about an inch. Wow.
Major foundation issues here.
I tell you right now, there's absolutely no way I could pay 300 for this house. This house is jacked up. You know what? For a 1,000 square foot house, this is a decent living room.
There's more cracks on your slab out there.
Okay, so right off the bat, all the concrete's cracking, the stucco's cracking, so there's something going on.
There's something definitely going on with the foundation, and you feel that it's sloping. It seems like it's caving right here,
Where?
right in the middle, which makes sense because this is a bearing wall here.
Oh yeah, right here, man.
See, from here this way,
Oh, it's sinking.
you got foundation issues here.
So already, right away, we have big ticket items. Foundation repairs are gonna cost at least 12 grand. Based on the existing layout, the kitchen's gonna cost about $7,000. Look at this.
Oh, wow. All of that has termite, it's dry rotted, and you got some plumbing issues on top of your foundation issues.
Sounds like we might need a repipe here. What do you think it's gonna run? Because it's a raised foundation, about 1,000 square feet.
A repipe will run you about $3,500.
This house is getting expensive already.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Israel?
So on top of foundation, on top of plumbing, looks like you have some roof issues as well.
This is really bad. Like all the guts of the house, the bones of the house, everything's ruined. So it's not just cosmetic at all. A new roof on this house is probably what, 7,000, 8,000?
About that.
I see another bathroom.
Oh, good.
They have some major foundation and water damage problems.
Dude, this thing is falling apart here. It's tiny.
This is really weird.
And all your tiles coming out.
Jack,
Here,
dude.
here. So this is in full gut
Yeah.
and the subfloor.
And how much you think?
I'd add another 8 grand to your bill. And this is a small area. I don't know if you'd consider changing the layout here.
Oh.
So there's your heater.
You think it works?
Yeah. And it smells like gas.
Yes, it does.
So you gotta add a new heater now.
Well, the owner said it needed a little bit of work, but he didn't mention the house literally falling apart.
Hello?
Hey, Dave, this is Tarek El Moussa. I'm at your property here in Torrance we spoke about.
Oh yeah, hey Tarek, how's it going?
I can't pay the $300,000. It's a lot of work, so I'd have to come in at $250,000.
250? I think that's a little low. I'm gonna need a day or two to think about this. I'll be in touch.
All right. The seller countered our offer at $270,000 and we accepted. Even though we paid more for the house, I still believe we can get a really good return. While we wait to get our foundation report back, it's time for demo. Let's go break some cabinets, huh? So what's up, Izzy? What's going on with all these cracks?
We got the foundation company out,
Okay.
and we got all our weak points right here. Your garage is slowly sinking. The house is connected to the garage, so it's pulling the house with it. If we stabilize the garage, it'll keep the house from pulling away. We're gonna have to put at least 4 piers so that we could stabilize this side of the house.
What's that gonna run?
You're looking at about $3,500 each one.
Wow. Really? Our initial $80,000 budget just went up by $14,000. We own this house, and at this point, we have no other option but to fix the foundation. And on top of all of this, we still need to find out if we need a new roof.
We're gonna do a water test on there.
How are we gonna do that?
I got a guy up there. We'll pour water on there.
Are you serious right now? Let's throw some water on there, see what happens.
All right, Ricky, you ready?
I hope there's no water. Okay, I don't see any water. That's good news.
Looks like they already did a repair then.
It's not leaking. We finally caught a break here. But with the money we saved on the roof, I really want to build a killer master suite. And Izzy's got some great ideas to make that happen.
Eliminate this linen, frame up the wall, and then they'll have a bigger closet. So we're 86ing that closet, making this bigger. Shower on that side, vanity and toilet.
How much do you think it's gonna run?
$2,800.
This used to be the door to the bathroom.
Okay.
Okay, and then the bathroom actually ended about right here.
Okay.
And that was the closet.
So we created this much more space by just removing a closet?
And it gave us an extra like 4 or 5 feet.
I'm so glad you made that decision because it's well worth it.
Yeah.
I was a little nervous to see this house because we're spending so much money, but it looks great. Now I just hope that Tarek has a good design plan. Your samples look really nice.
I did a good job here. So let me tell you the theme I was thinking, because you weren't with me. Thinking lighter, brighter, more contemporary, but here are the options for the flooring. I kind of like that.
I think this one's too purple.
Okay.
This one's too light. I like this one a lot, and I think if we go with this one, we should run it through the kitchen too, because it's really nice.
Okay, so I like this one because this one has gray with,
That one's out.
With brown in it too. Let's take a look at this. I love the idea of gray shaker,
Right.
but with this color flooring, I don't think it's gonna work.
I agree. I think it just kind of blends too much. With this flooring, which I'm obsessed with, I think the white just pops a lot more.
Then we should go with dark gray quartz counters.
I feel like maybe for the bathrooms, what if we did something different because you're thinking more modern? What if we did floating cabinets?
Yeah, no, I'm fine with that. So what color would you want to do?
The darker cabinets, I think they have one that's like a brownish gray, and then we can do the white counters, and then do a nice, really pretty modern mosaic tile band.
Okay.
It's kind of my design, but you made it a little better.
Yeah, no, I'm like seriously shocked. You guys did an awesome job. Really pretty materials.
Woo.
I think the house is gonna look amazing.
All this used to be block wall, watch your feet, and it was only about this high. So the plan now is, Israel, to put a 6-foot tall horizontal fence to get some privacy here.
I actually like the idea because I feel like this is a really good selling feature. This could be a cute porch, and then you have that driveway area, and you actually have a big yard. So I feel like if there's some privacy here, it'll be really nice. And plus, I love horizontal fencing.
So let's do it. Okay, the new fence is done,
Honestly, I love the fence. I feel like it's transformed the way the whole house looks.
and now we have our private patio off the kitchen.
The current color looks really cool. And then if we paint all this, maybe like a dark gray, we can carry that over and do, you know, maybe like a dark gray front door, and then the trim white and the body of the house, just like a light gray, because I kind of feel like that gives a flow of what's going on the inside.
All right, I love it. We invested over $370,000 on a flip in Torrance, California. The highest comp in our neighborhood just closed for 400 grand. But with very low inventory in the area and a lot of amazing upgrades, we think buyers will find way more value in our turnkey home. I think the house is worth in the mid-4s. I think we come in at $449,900. I actually think we're gonna get offers. I think we might sell for full price, but I'm concerned about the appraisal. Because if the appraiser uses the 400 comp, we're in big trouble.
Well, all we can do is list for $449,900 and see what happens.
Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this.
It's amazing. Look how cute it looks staged. Love
Look at the
kitchen.
shelving.
Buyers are gonna be obsessed with that. It gives it like a really cute, homey feel.
Yeah.
It's definitely a showpiece.
All the other houses out there, they're really cookie cutter. At least with this house, there's some character. So I think we did a lot of good things here. I want to see the master bathroom. You never saw it before. It was bad.
I think the master bathroom is gonna get us a higher sales price for sure.
No, 100%. It's beautiful in here.
House looks great.
Yeah.
Let's get ready.
All right.
Some fresh paint looks nice.
This fence, nice. I like it.
Hi, come on in.
Hi.
I'm Tarek.
Nice to meet you.
Christina.
You're a real estate agent.
Sure am.
You have some buyers looking in the area?
I do.
It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's about 1,100 square feet.
I'm gonna bring my buyers on Saturday if I like what I see.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
New countertops, appliances, good sized kitchen.
These shelves are amazing.
Really like the backsplash too.
I like the formal living room. It's really cozy.
This is a little too small for a dining place.
The floors are great, nice rustic yet modern feel to them. Love the grays, love the mosaic tile.
It's exactly what I want in the bathroom, actually.
Master bedroom.
Kinda small.
Great bathroom,
Nicely done in the shower.
Oh, how cute.
good size yard. The fence is great, some privacy.
Nice little patio.
After only a week on the market, we were shocked to receive multiple offers, which drove the price up to $460,000. Time to find another house to flip.